In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to hit Advanced Features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Following that, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to reduce display size with gesture or button. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, just read all of the instructions below your chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To change placement of it, use this icon on the left or on the right, or hold this line at the top and drag it. To go back to standard size screen, click on this blurry area, and to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!